Hi guys, this is your very welcome to Play Arena, which is located near Sarjapur in Bangalore, where the ultimate thrill awaits you. Are you ready to be launched into 60 feet height into the sky? Ever wanted to experience what it feels like being an angry bird? This is where your dreams come to reality. So once we swipe the card, so here he checks regarding the fitness and the weight of a person. Basically, if you have any suffering from any cardiovascular illness such as an heart alignment or hypertensions, and with neck or spinal injury problems, or if you are on a drugs, so here they will not allow you to in this activity. So I once you enter here, they'll ask you to fill the details. So I filled the details about the consent forms
Mohan
and said
cameraman, produced, directed, and acted by Bhaskar.
and the staff members are very polite and very helpful in fixing the safety measures there. So be ready to brace yourself for an adrenaline pumping adventure as you shot up to 60 feet high with the utmost safety. Feel the rush of the wind, the thrill of the ascent, and the exhilarations of the descent as you soar like never before. The moment when he ejects, it will be a very scary experiences, but and later jumps it you can calm down, but you can have this adrenaline pump in one shot here. Join us at an play arena near Sarjapur for an unforgettable experience.
Bhaskar, how was your experience? It's great, man. It was painful.
And thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Catch up in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.